This is a box of green tea from Sri Lanka, Nawara. Someone gifted us to taste the tea. Sorry, not green tea, it's a black tea. We are opening it. After opening, we'll try it. Tea from Sri Lanka. See the box. In Bangladesh, we are also one of the top tea producer in the world. Okay, this is the tea bag, yellow color packet, but see, there is no branding inside the tea bag. Yours, thanks for watching.